I have a little bit of time today between meetings. It's Monday, and this is what I'm going to be working on all this week, really, because I've started with this bed, and the idea is to I want to remove all of these stones. There's this little pea gravel in here, so I want to remove all that and make it into a real garden, not just like a stone garden. I gotta pull up all the stone. I'm gonna save all that stone because it's a lot of it's a pea gravel stone. So I'm gonna wheelbarrow it out, save it in the back of my garage, and then I'm gonna add compost to the bed. So all this area is gonna have compost, and then I got boxwoods coming in. It should be here Thursday. Today is Monday, so I have until Thursday to get at least two, because I think I only bought enough boxwoods for 2 of these. So I'm probably gonna do this one and the one in the back, and then boxwood is gonna line all around the edges. And then I have some really pretty David Austin roses that I've ordered, but they don't ship until the spring. I got 8 of those. 4 in like a really soft dusty pink, and then 4 that are white. So this is going to be a mostly white, pinks and purple type of garden. Anyway, I'm going to get started on this because this is going to take me a while, and wheelbarrowing this to the back of the property where it's going to go. Well, you're loud. It's going to be a pain, but my husband said he will help. He's not here right now, but I'm gonna fill up a couple. I'll probably fill up the last one and just have him do it, take it back for me. So hopefully I can finish this today. We'll see how much I get done. I think I'm done with this. I took all the stone out. I forked over the soil. There's the plastic, and there's the last little bit of stone that I'm gonna leave. I'm leaving this for my husband to take back because it's heavy and my arms are tired. But the soil looks pretty good. I'm still going to amend it with some compost just so it's a nice base to plant on. Hey, Barkin. Come here. Hi. Hi. It's a good girl. So anyway, this one's done and ready for boxwoods. That one's next. I'm not looking forward to it. So today's Thursday, so I guess day 4 of my little project. I just got back from the Home Depot. I got some mulch and I got some compost because it definitely needs it. These are the little guys all planted up. I'm a little, what do you call it? I'm feeling a little bit defeated just because, one, I didn't order enough. I'm missing that little section right there. And 2, they're a little smaller than what I thought they were going to be, but I guess they'll be okay. They'll grow, right? They'll grow into it, and I'll probably look a lot better once I mulch it. I got compost and I got mulch from Home Depot. I have to unload the car, and I'm by myself, so it's kind of heavy. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do that. But I think I'm going to go get my wheelbarrow and my shovel and then just start putting it on top. And I think they'll dress it up and make it look really cool. I think it looks good. I'm sweating, I'm tired, I'm hungry. I have roses coming in, so I'm gonna put two, one here, and I'm thinking of ordering maybe a third to put in the middle, or something. Oh, go ahead. My hands are so dirty. Put something here, so a middle one, and then two more. But I'm not sure what I want to put in the middle yet. But it's been a lot of work. I am not looking forward to doing the other two, because hauling all the pebbles is just a pain in the butt. Oh, the other thing that I'm not sure about, this mulch is black mulch, so it has a dye that they put in it to make it black. Obviously, same with any kind of mulch you get, unless it's like a mulch that has no dyes to it. But I like the black color, so that's why I chose this one. I was planning on putting herbs in here, like maybe on the corner some chives and basil and parsley and that kind of stuff, but because of the mulch, I don't think I'm gonna be able to, because it might not be safe to eat it because of the dye that they use. It leaches into the herb, and if I want to, obviously I want to use it for cooking and stuff, but I won't be able to if it's not safe to eat. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is just put terracotta pots and just use that to grow the herbs, because I still want to put them in this spot. That might look okay, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm tired, I'm sweaty, I need some water, I need some lunch, so I am done for this week. Yeah, I still have work to do. That's next week.